Hi and welcome to Mineiro de Dados channel, or in a free translation, Data Pitman. Today we're going to talk about something that was brought up in the Gephi Facebook group. One of the users were trying to use the plugin known as Polygon shaped nodes. The idea of this plugin is that you can choose your nodes to be represented as a polygon, and can be a circle, a square, a triangle, pentagon, and so on. It's very simple to use it. We're going to use in this example, and here in plugins you can find one of the plugins called Polygon shaped nodes. Here's an available plugins. We're going to take a look on this, and here we go, Polygon shaped nodes. We're going to install this plugin now. As you can see, all the plugins in Gephi are always with a description that's very important for you to read if you want to use them. And he asks you to have a column of integers in the data table named Polygon, with a value corresponding to the number of sides. The renderer must be enabled in Manage Renderers tabs in the preview. We're going to install it now. And we have to restart. Now that we have restarted, we have to choose which nodes will be represented with certain types of polygons. We go to the data laboratory, we add a column. This column must be an integer, and the title of it should be Polygon. Okay? Now we have this column, and if we just edit some of these nodes and put something like 3, 4, and let's see here, you can put 0, 1 or 2 to represent as a circle, and I'm gonna put here just 2, for example. Doesn't matter, it will be represented as a circle. And if we go to overview, you can see that nothing changed because this plugin just works in preview. In preview, then in Manage Renderers, we should ask to use the Polygon shaped nodes. One of the issues when you install the Polygon shaped nodes, and we will see now, is that, let me just put to the default curved so that with this the labels will be shown. And as you can see, all our labels are behind the nodes. So I'm just going to set the font here to be in a smaller size, and still they are back. And then you have to put the Polygon shaped nodes below the nodes labels, and then you have your result. One of the issues when people install this plugin is that they start having this kind of trouble, and it's very simple to solve it. Just put the polygons below in your list of the renderers so that the full labels will be shown upwards. We can see here the triangles, the squares, and if we zoom in, we will find the circles. I forgot to choose a lot of nodes to be represented as circles, but as you can see here, they are represented as circles. If you put 2 sides, 1 side, 0 sides, that doesn't matter. And the other will be represented as you wish. Okay? So if you enjoyed this video, please give your like, subscribe to the channel, share it, make your comment below, and if you have any other kind of doubt about Gephi or Voice Viewer or any other stuff that I deal in this channel, please leave a comment. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. Okay? Cheers.